According to sources close to the industry, Atlas is not just another smart device. It is an attempt to go beyond familiar screens, interfaces, and applications. If the smartphone has been the center of digital life for the past 15 years, then Atlas, by design, is supposed to completely destroy this model and replace it with something far more natural, almost invisible, but at the same time incredibly powerful. Rumors describe this device as a compact AI cube, minimalist, without a screen in the usual sense, without buttons, without a familiar interface, but inside, a full-fledged intelligence built on ChatGPT. And not just a chatbot, but a full-fledged AI companion that understands you, remembers you, adapts to you, and becomes part of your everyday life. Imagine, you ask a question, and the device instantly responds, but not just with a voice. It can project information, interact with the surrounding space, control other devices, analyze the situation in real time. This is no longer a gadget. It is the control center of your reality. And this is where the main shift lies. Because Atlas, according to rumors, will not be a device that you use. It will be a device that lives next to you, observes, learns, helps, anticipates, and at some point becomes so integrated into your life that you stop perceiving it as a separate object.